Hey, this is Damien for 95 Google, taking a super quick hands-on with the newly announced mid-range Nokia 7.1. The first thing I noticed after being given my test unit at the Nokia event in London was just how sturdy it felt. The aluminum frame and glass sandwich design give the Nokia 7.1 a really good heft even though it weighs in at just 160 grams. I'd have to say the chamfered edges are a little sharper than I would like, but the device is still really comfortable to hold in the hand, and the overall look and feel is superb for under $350. One issue though is that with glass comes fingerprint issues, which I found were really pronounced during my short time testing it. It did mean constantly wiping and cleaning, but the gloss midnight blue variant is really great in various lighting conditions. I also think that the notch implementation seems fairly well done, as it's smaller than the OnePlus 6's notch, which I think is probably one of the best of the current crop of phones to have the design. Performance with the Android Oreo flavour of Android One is lovely and fluid. I'm looking forward to putting it through its paces with the proper review unit in the coming weeks. Things such as app switching and opening the app drawer was no problem, but I'm a little shocked that there was nearly 15GB of the 32 gigs of onboard storage already taken up. It's likely that a micro SD card is going to be needed with the Nokia 7.1. I must admit the camera experience also was pretty great, as is the Simplified Pro Mode controls, but the launch event wasn't the ideal testbed for this brand new camera system, so expect much more in the full review. That said, the display was great. It's a 1080p panel that even allows for Hdr Video Playback, something that I don't think any sub $400 Android phone can claim right now. One thing I did notice was when going full screen, the video didn't quite wrap around the notch. Instead, that portion of the screen blacked out to hide the notch, and personally I think it was a pretty interesting way of dealing with it, and almost as though Nokia would rather it not be there. So that's it, that's just a quick hands-on with the Nokia 7.1, which at this point I'm excited to get to play with some more. It looks set to be a great budget device that should tick a lot of boxes, fusing smooth stock Android with a great build quality. To read the full hands-on, visit the link in the description, and for more exclusively Android and Google related news, head to 95google.com, and then consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. So that's been the Nokia 7.1, really quick hands-on, and I've been Damien for 95 Google. Thank you again for watching, and I'll speak to you later.